Hey guys, how's it going? It's Teacher Collins with Hi Owl Star. In today's video, we're going to learn about things in the classroom, also known as classroom objects. Clock, clock. Door, door. Board, board. Window, window. Desk, desk. Bin, bin. Cupboard, cupboard. Chair, chair. Show me the clock. It's here. Show me the door. It's here. Show me the board. It's here. Show me the window. It's here. Show me the desk. It's here. Show me the bin. It's here. Show me the cupboard. It's here. Show me the chair. It's here. Fantastic. Now, keep practicing, but reminder time. Repeat after me. Clock, door, board, window, desk, bin, cupboard, and chair. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.